Critical Library Mismatch involving the Workstation Service Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. To kick off the Workstation Service Library Guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Workstation Service Library. It manages the creation and maintenance of client network connections to remote servers. It is essential for domain logins and mapped drives. A failure in this module results in the workstation service could not be started, effectively cutting the PC off from all network-based shared drives. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Wkssvc is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Workstation Service Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Workstation Service Library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For structured configuration management, the optimization software reference below includes Workstation Service Library-related documentation. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Workstation Service Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.